Hey guys, welcome back to Abode Above's YouTube channel. I'm Jasmine, and today we're going to look at 6 awesome items that you can add to your home to create comfort and convenience this holiday season. People are investing more into their homes than ever, and these are some items that I encourage all of my clients to consider when elevating their spaces. These things are simple, affordable, and universally useful, but they go a long way to making your home easier to love. Every item I mentioned today is linked in the description box below, so be sure to check it out if you'd like more info on any of these items. Alright, let's get into it. The first item on the list is a nightlight outlet plate. These replacement plates are great because they automatically turn on when the inside of your home reaches a certain ambient light, allowing you to see and navigate your home in the middle of the night. Put it at the bottom of your stairs, put it in your bathroom, put it along the backsplash in your kitchen. It may take a little know-how to install, but once you do, you've created a feature in your home that's stylish and simple, but also brings so much comfort and convenience. The next item I want to tell you guys about is not a new item by any stretch, but it bears repeating. The iRobot Roomba is by far one of the best purchases I've made in many a year. For those of you out there who have pets or you have kids, you have honestly vacuumed so many times you've lost track. This item is a game changer, you guys, okay? We have had our Roomba for about 4 years, and let me tell you, there's not been one day that I've regretted that purchase. Especially now when we're home literally 24 hours a day, there's just more stuff on the floor. There's dust, there's crumbs, there's more everything. It's simple to operate, and you can even put it on a running schedule, which is amazing. It's just one less thing to worry about, and that's worth its weight in gold. The next item I want to talk to you guys about is actually a retractable drying line for your laundry area. This is awesome, you guys. I had actually been looking for something that I could use to hang clothes that wouldn't be unsightly or a hassle, and this is the perfect solution. These lines come in a variety of finishes, and they take just minutes to install. For only about $20, you have a feature that can make the task of doing laundry just a little bit easier. Plus, these lines are great character pieces, adding a bit of visual interest to what can be a pretty uninspiring space. Next on the list is actually a combination of items. I got inspired when I started seeing a trend on Instagram and Pinterest of these gorgeous coffee stations and beverage bars that people are putting in their kitchen. Together, this K-cup organizer and this bamboo tea box only cost about $35, and they just make the whole space look super cute and organized. I'm type A, so being organized is my love language. It's a wonderful setup. Lighting is a big part of how a room feels, and being in the same spaces day in and day out, it's actually really a good idea to consider changing the lighting to change the feeling in a room. These color changing light bulbs do a lot for creating a mood and overall just making your space feel better. Whether it's a cozy glass of wine at the end of the day or a disco dance party with your kids, being able to change up your light in a room is invaluable. It's simple to install, as simple as changing a light bulb, and a lot of these bulbs actually come with a feature for you to control them on your phone, which who would not want to be able to do that? That's awesome. The last thing I want to mention to you guys is something that applies to anyone for any budget, and that is luxury sheets. So I say luxury, and a few of you were ready to close the window. Luxury does not have to mean expensive. Bamboo sheets, for example, are affordable and they're luxurious. They're actually made from bamboo, so they don't break down the same way that cotton does, but they also just create a feeling on your skin that's just comfortable. Here's a simple trick to make sure that you experience luxury, comfortable sheets. Wash your sheets on a schedule. The reason hotel beds are amazing is because those sheets are freshly laundered every day. It's not that they're super expensive, it's that they're clean, and clean is comfort. This also protects your mattress over time too, so it's just good practice all around. Now, I'm not saying don't get expensive ones. If there's anything you're gonna spend a whole lot of money on that's worth it, it is your bedding. It's always a good idea. Okay guys, so that's it. That was 6 key items that you can bring into your home today to create more comfort and convenience, especially this holiday season. It makes it that much easier to love where you live every day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you soon. Bye!